We shine from China to the world tonight. Satellite is burning oh so bright. High-grade LEDs lighting up the sky. Outdoor power